Thank you for the dinner, Natasha. Come to think of it, it's a good idea that you broke up with yours. Now, at least, you have the time to date your grandfather.
Lolo talaga.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Well done, Natasha. Ipagpatuloy mo yung pagiging sweet mo sa matanda. You know you need him, right?
Just to set the record straight, ginagawa ko to dahil mahal ko si Lolo. Hindi dahil ginagamit ko siya. You're not my mother, right? So, ibig sabihin nun, hindi ako nagmana sa ugali mo. Kape muna tayo.
Miss Calcetas?
Doc, kamusta po?
Successful ang operasyon na ligtas ang nanay mo.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.
She's just resting right now, but she will be transferred to her room shortly.
Sige po.
Excuse me po.
Oo, Samson. Di ba kayang-kaya ni Tita ang operasyon? Yung mabuti lang nagawa ng paraan yung pere. In fairness dyan kay Inigo, yung magandang may dudulot din pala yan sa buhay mo.
I must admit that I'm not comfortable having Diana in SGC. Hindi ba delikado na meron siyang access sa company? After all, she is still an Alcantara.
Don't worry about it, ma. Lahat ng mga naging desisyon ko, lahat ng mga magiging desisyon ko ang bawat galaw ko, lahat kalkulado. Kahit Alcantara pa yan, hindi niya ako basta-basta matatalikuran. Napakalaki ng utang na loob niya sa atin.
I'm just worried about the company. The whole idea of hiring her just doesn't appeal to me.
I can understand that. But let's just think about it this way. Wala namang mawawala sa atin kung nasa atin si Diana eh. Kung may mawawalan man, si Romualdo Alcantara yun. And that in itself is a victory for us.
Sir, nagpatawag na ho kayo ng meeting. I'm sorry I'm late.
Hello, Ruel.
Hello, sir.
I would like you to listen to a very interesting recording.
Yes, sir.
This is nice. I'm sure Inigo will be happy to see this.
Franco, sabi mo kay Inigo, maglililaw muna ako. Masyado kasing umiinit ang dugo sa akin ni Arturo at ni Third. Baka papuko na ako eh. Baka malaman nila akong mall sa loob ng Legacy. Sir, Don Romualdo, Sir, I'm sorry, sir! Sir, please! Please! Sir, please!
Dalhin yan! Palasahin at bantayang mabuti.
Sir Romualdo, please! Sir, please! Sir!
What's happening, Lola? Ano nangyari? Bumisita ba si Pacquiao? Bakit knockout si Ruel?
Si Ruel, siya ang walang hiyang trumaydor sa atin.